Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to get cash advance from Dave app. If you don't have a Dave bank account, we will put our affiliate link in the description below for you to sign up and get a $15 gift reward. But if you already have an account, just open the app by tapping on it. Once the app is open, you will see several options at the bottom part of the screen. Tap on the option that says Extra Cash. Then, tap on Get Cash button. Now, enter the amount. Tap on the Edit option to change the amount. Also, select the account from which you're transferring it to. Then tap on Next. Now, scroll down to the bottom, and you will see a tick box. Tap on the tick box beside I agree to the settlement terms. Review the following details. Note that, once you agree, Dave will automatically pulling your money from your account and cards. So after reviewing and if everything looks good, tap on Yes I agree button. Lastly, tap on Transfer button. That's how you get cash advance from Dave app. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.